Today we're going to cover the proper cleaning procedures for most of our equipment. Proper cleaning materials include a mild soap or detergent, some soft cloths, a sponge, water, some vinegar, and of course, stainless steel polish. Do not use abrasive cleaners or items like bleach. An oven cleaner made for stainless steel, the equipment we're going to be featuring today, the refrigerated air screen, a proofer, a Climate IQ cabinet, and a banqueting cabinet. Always disconnect the appliance from power before servicing or cleaning. Allow the cabinet to cool before cleaning. Use care not to burn yourself. When doing routine cleaning, use soap, ammonia, or a mild detergent with water. What you want to do is use a light cloth or sponge and wipe the interior of the cabinet and then rinse it off with a wet cloth and then dry with a dry cloth. For hard water spots and mild scaling, you need vinegar. Lightly swab or wipe with a soft cloth followed by a rinse and dry. When it comes to the door seal, use warm water and dry it immediately after. Make sure the door seal is completely dry before using the unit again. To maintain the like-new appearance, use a stainless steel polish or cleaner. It is very important that you do not use a wax or strong cleaner on the door, gaskets, or the vinyl trim. Now let's go over some of the more particular cleaning features for certain models. On the Climate IQ, when dealing with moisture, you need to be able to clean out the water pan underneath the unit. Allow the cabinet to cool before cleaning. Use care not to burn yourself. Here's how you take the water pan out of the unit. First, remove the grate that is on top of the element inside the unit. Second, remove the drip tray. Now you can pull the water pan out and dump the water out. After cleaning out the water pan, you can insert it by inserting the water pan first. The element should automatically come down, inserting the drip tray, and then reinserting the grate on top of it. On this proofer unit, to access the water pan, simply lift up the air tunnel like so. Allow the cabinet to cool before cleaning. Use care not to burn yourself. Then carefully guide the water pan out of the unit to dump the water. To reinsert the pan, carefully lift the air tunnel like so and slide the water pan underneath the element. On this banqueting unit, use a light cloth or sponge on the shelves to wipe down any grease or burnt-on foods. Now you can pull the water pan out and dump the water out. FWE prides itself on its quality control. Inside your unit, when you receive it, there will be an operations manual for your particular style of unit and a general cleaning guide in case this video is unavailable.